Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So guys, as usual, now second video, let's take a look on the gold market. Gold, as other currencies and other assets, has become the victim of the Donald Trump comments. So if you remember yesterday, he said that nutrient words were put out in the context, and actually America needs the strong dollar. As a result, you can see this was a drop across the board in relation to the United States dollar, and the gold no exception. So as a result, what we've got on the daily chart, we said that we have actually long-term ABCD targets that stands above this AB leg, AB, C, bottom D pattern stands above the 1375. So target stands approximately around 1380, 1380. But as you can see, they have not been hit because market actually was put down by the comments on the Trump. But to be honest, guys, on technically, market's a bit overextended, and as you can see on the daily chart, it also has hit the daily overbought. This has led to appearing of the wash and rinse of these tops. So market has exceeded these tops, and guys, actually, market has completed our monthly target on the grade of bullish grabber that we've got here. So top has been washed out, market has dropped. But at the same time, major target still stands untouched on the 1380, as I said, 1382 area. Meantime, if we'll take a look at the daily chart, market here is forming side by side two bullish grabbers. So the first grabber has been formed yesterday. This market has closed above the MACD predictor line. Now is forming another one that theoretically suggests that these tops should be taken out. If these tops should be taken out, it will lead to real breakout of this top, right? The market will continue to move high, and most probable that 1381, 1382 target will be hit. In a short-term perspective, at first glance, it a bit contradicts to the scenario that we have discussed on the dollar index. But in reality, guys, on the dollar index, we have the scenario on the weekly and monthly chart. So there, it's really long-term charts. The market could return back to the previous lows, to flirt about these lows, around these lows for some time, while this gives gold market time to touch and reach the targets. So no contradiction stands here. At the same time, intraday stuff that we have on the dollar index could be completed today, because gold as well could show at least some minor reaction on this drop that we've got. But keep an eye on these two side-by-side bullish grabbers. They could become important. And we will that actually will become the foundation for our trading in short-term period. So if we will take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here you can see that our bread and butter trade has started perfectly. As the market has dropped right to the 618 support, completed this inner ABC top XLP target right to the agreement 1344. So 3 closes below the 3x3. 1, 2, 3. On the third close, market has hit the major target. So, or better to say, the major entry point. Now it tends to the target of the double of the bread and butter trade. Okay, so on the 15-minute chart, this target stands 1357. Actually, guys, here market is forming a bit steep Carter's triple two sell, so that is left wing of this pattern. It's rather steep. That's why I do not put the triangles here. So it'll be not very beautiful. And that is second window of this butterfly of this Carter's triple two. So here is very steep ABCD pattern. It's forming. That's why theoretically, as Carter's triple two will be formed, some reaction down could follow. I think that should be maybe somewhere to 618 support, because this drop was really fast. That will be an opportunity to think about the taking long position if you are watching for these grabbers. So this will be some kind of retracement inside of the second grabber. So that's what you could keep an eye on today. So if you do not take the position on the brand body and you do not have the positions, you could wait when the market will hit the target of the brand body, then keep watching for a possible retracement if you would like to take the position on the daily grabbers. So today, guys, so it's Friday. It's nothing more probably we could offer you for trading. If grabbers will fail there, that will be another story, because it will confirm an idea of the possible deeper retracement on dollar index as well. So that will be very important. But meantime, while grabbers are valid on the daily chart, do not marry any short positions here. So if you are following our analysis on the dollar index as well, so trade the setups that we have discussed. So setups on the intraday charts. So that's what we see right now on the gold market. It also brings some interesting patterns for trading. Let's see what will happen.